So we're talking about work done by a force of pressure or work done by a gas. Gases, for example, they are always in the cylinders, like especially those vehicles which are big. Those vehicles like trailers, tippers, they use gas for breaking down. Brakes, they use gas. So normally the cylinders have gas, and these cylinders can move up or down like that due to the pressure inside. So for this we can find the work done in the cylinder, like these ones you are seeing. We have A and B, one in part A and another one in part B. So in part A, it's initially the pressure is the cylinder, the gas is down. Then when after some time the gas expands, and when the gas expands, even the cylinder moves upwards. So the X is the increase in volume, is the displacement through which the cylinder moves. So that means there's an increase in volume of the gas. Now, but the pressure inside the cylinder is constant. For it, it's not changing. What is changing is the volume of the gas inside, making the cylinder to move from one point to another through a displacement or a distance, the X. So we know that pressure is given by force per unit cross-sectional area. And if we wanted to find the work done in this piston in moving from one point to another through a distance, the X, then we can say, we know that work done is the force applied times the distance. Now we are taking the force applied to be F, and the small distance moved by this cylinder to be the X. Now, when you go back to the formula of pressure, pressure is force over area. But now that means you can make force the subject, being now pressure becomes, force becomes pressure times area. Now, but you know that, so force becomes pressure times area. And now our work done is force times the X. Now we shall substitute for force, and we shall put pressure times area, that is force. Then now times the distance, which is the X. But area times the X, area times the distance gives the volume. So that means area times the distance is the change in volume of the gas in the cylinder. So the volume changed from V1 to V2. Changed from V1 to V2. Then that means our work done is going to be pressure times change in volume. Change in volume is V2 minus V1. Now the negative is coming in because we are changing, and we are saying that it's from V2 to V1, yet it was from V1 to V2. So mathematically there a negative comes. Yeah, but we shall look at this more when we come to thermodynamic processes. Thank you.